Good evening, T-Speaker 222 with Swing Traders Anonymous. It's 11:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this crashing post-futures close as we predicted before. If you're new here, what we do is we go over the total crypto market cap, the Bitcoin dominance chart, which we will go over today, the BITO Bitcoin ETF, which is one of two Bitcoin ETFs. We're not going to go over that because the market's closed until tomorrow. Tether, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So let's start out. Make sure you hit the like button. I really do appreciate everybody. I appreciate everybody responding in regards to if you want me to do a Swing Traders membership. We'll talk about that after when I get the subscribers. But basically, long story short, when I first started the channel, we get two of our favorite swing trade targets each day. We'll do it in the members only area. I'll do an update each and every day for just the members only. And we'll discuss for the following day as well within the comments what we want to cover the next day. So that's something that will be coming now that we're partner once we get offered the subscribers, which takes a little bit of time. So I'll keep you updated. Just comment in the comments below if you would like to be a part of that, or if you think that's a good idea. It's $2.22 a month. So the total crypto market cap, we followed through key support that we closed below, and it incites a drop down to the 1526 level. It at least opens the door for it. As you can see, this looks to be a continuation pattern on the downside of this support line. So if we have an equal drop, I believe this is going to get us down on this next drop from here, probably to about 158. That would be a logical spot, 1587 trillion. Obviously, it's going to come down farther, but you're going to have a stopping point somewhere. So I think that's going to be where the stopping point's at. So that's what we're looking at right now with the total crypto market cap. So just pay attention because the market's in a downturn. The Bitcoin dominance chart, we're over that 4240 resistance support line. It's using it as support right now. So if we can, we would continue to bounce up as I was showing right there, but we did get caught up here. We've got to get above 4283 before we can get to the 43.94% dominance for the Bitcoin dominance. Tether has been consolidating forever, it feels like. It's finally starting to bounce up off of the support, and if it can do this properly and hold the support at 33.67 as it has, get up on top of 36.97, it's got a real chance to get to 34.68 and kind of look something like this. You'd get something like that, and I could see that happening very easily with Tether. The two important ones today, Ethereum is right on that critical support line. If it breaks 2,500, watch out because it's a steep drop down to 2,200 area. Well, 2381, 2210, and then 2078. So you'd get whoop, whoop, and it would work its way down. And it almost looked like that's what's going on because this is using this bottom side of this as resistance. That's a continuation downward, it looks like. So we're going to get down to 2381, it looks like. If we break 2,500, that's a terrible sign for Ethereum. So watch that very closely. And then with Bitcoin, we're 36,881. We're trying to use that as support. The volume's crashing even in the 30-minute time frame. This looks very bearish, and it looks like we're going to have another equal drop. It could happen tonight, but that would put us, I would say, down around this area in the short term. We're going to come down to somewhere around there, and then we're going to end up coming farther. This just doesn't look good. If we break through 36,881, the next step is 36,226. Watch very closely because this is a emergency update because we are crashing, and there is a potential if this doesn't hold that we could fall right through, and you could be looking at a 3 to 5% drop in an instant on Bitcoin, and then it gets worse from there.